What is the primary concern in the passage? This is a structure-based question, so we need to look at the mind map. As per the mind map, the first paragraph talks about modern researchers believing that rituals can be rational and effective, and the second paragraph talks about new research that shows that rituals improve performance. So we need an answer choice in this context. Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A, explaining why a particular practice is common. Now the practice here would refer to rituals, and the first paragraph mentions that anthropologists have documented rituals across cultures for decades. So this reference across cultures says that rituals are common, but the passage doesn't suggest any reason for why they are common. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice B, elaborating an approach to understand the effects of a particular practice. Yes, this is what is implied in the mind map, because both the paragraphs talk about the effects of rituals and in particular the improvement in performance. So this answer choice is on the lines of what the mind map suggests. Overall, this is a good answer choice, so let's keep it on hold. Answer choice C, criticizing an earlier approach to study a particular practice. Now the passage mentions a new approach and a traditional approach, but the new approach does not criticize the traditional approach. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice D, distinguishing among several different ways in which a particular practice is followed. The passage in the second paragraph mentions a few examples, and all of these are different examples of rituals, but the main purpose of the passage is not to distinguish among the different ways. The discussion related to different rituals is limited to the second paragraph. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice E, questioning a widely accepted explanation for an unusual practice. So the passage doesn't suggest that rituals are unusual, and also it doesn't present any accepted explanation, nor does it question that. So this answer choice can be eliminated. B is the correct answer.